Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Moving with your dog to a new house? My 10 tips. Number 1. Search a new place. Make your dog part of the search for a new place to live. Obviously, this place must allow the dog live there too. Number 2. If you found a new place, please visit the place first alone and then go home. So your dog will sniff you and you have to tell him that you have already found a new place to live. And him will feel your energy and will know that it's a good news. Number 3. Bring your dog to your future home because he needs to sniff indoor and outdoor. You can bring his prizes and when you and your dog leave the place, prize him. Number 4. Before moving, please take with you his favorite toy and some family clothing, preferably in use. This is so that the dog identifies that this place is for you and him. You can also create a short walking route outside. Number 5. Pack your dog's things. Keep everything smelling, and you can leave the essentials and gradually bring his things to the new house. The idea is he has his things in both houses to familiarize him little by little. Number 6. Moving. Organize yourself so that your dog comes with you on the day of the move. Make him be part in the whole process, please. This helps him not to get depressed or think that you are going to abandon him. Take your dog with you to the new house and bring him back to the old house several times. Number 7. Unpacking. Place your dog's things in the new house and show him that his bed, cage, feeder, etc. will be there. If he quickly or taking his own time uses his bed or eats, please prize him right away and don't forget it cuddles him. Number 8. Say goodbye to the old house. When you are going to leave your old house, go with your dog and say goodbye to the house together. This is very important. Close the cycle. Close the door of the old house and go to the new one. And preferably, don't return to the old house for a while. And in the future, you will go back. Number 9. The first night in the new house. This is very important. Don't close any door of the rooms because if he feels alone in his own new place, it's better that he seeks your company until he adapts. Number 10. Home alone. His first day home alone, you must prepare him by leaving the house for shorter periods of time. First 2 minutes and reward him, and then 5 minutes. The idea is you will increase more time, little by little. Maybe he will bark or cry the first day, or he does his business in unusual places. Don't be mad with him. Just clean up. Be patient and put in his shoes. Think like a dog will help many times. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you are new today, follow me on my social media. We have new videos up weekly. See you next time. Bye-bye.